Hey guys, welcome. This is how to change your working hours in Outlook. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and select File on the top left. And after that, you would just simply go ahead and go for the options down below. Now, here, just simply go for Calendar. And now, as you can see, we could customize our work hours over here. You could provide a start time, end time, and the work week that you have. And you could provide the first day of week as well that you do, or first week of a year. So pretty much once you have do some changes, make sure to select OK to apply those changes. And pretty much over here guys, you should be able to change your work hours for people to know. There you go. If you have any questions, guys, comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching.